again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipe ideas. We did it over and over and over. Anyway, it's Sunday morning and we want to tell the fans then that this is one of the best things you can ever make on the Sunday morning. Cornmeal porridge in the morning for breakfast. Subscribe to the channel, leave your comments below, and also tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. And also visit my blog website chefricardocooking.com. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Stay tuned.
Nice and
thank you so much. So right here I have 1 large cups of cornmeal inside of this container right here. And all I'm going to do is add a little bit of milk to it. So basically if I add like this 1.5 cups of milk, and give it a whisk. And I'm using some Ola milk. Nice one. What we're going to do is to take it to the next level of how to make the porridge. Nice one. So I got a medium-sized pot right here. Basically I have put 1/4 cups of milk into 5 cups of water inside of this pot right here, or roughly 4.5 cups of water. I didn't measure it. So what I'm going to do is to turn up my heat. So I'm going to pour the cornmeal inside of it. And simple. Give it a whisk like this. Nice one. So as you can see, it start to cook. You just keep whisking it, and you don't want it to be getting lumpy, so you have to keep whisking. Nice one. So allow that to cook for about 10 minutes. So right this now, this is cooking for about 15 minutes now. So what we're going to do, I just grated some nice lovely Jamaican nutmeg egg, and all I'm going to do is add it to it like this. That's the nutmeg egg. Give it a good whisk. And also just a pinch of cinnamon, not too much. Just under the pinch. Give it a good whisk. Then we're gonna add a little bit of mixed spice. Not too much, just a little pinch of the mixed spice. We're gonna add some vanilla, a tablespoon of vanilla, and also a pinch of salt. And sweeten it with some condensed milk. some sweet condensed milk right here. With a good whisk. As you can see, looking lovely and nice. So we're giving it that good whisk. And now we're gonna just leave this for about 5 to 6 minutes. As you can see, that looking lovely and nice. All this need to do is to share out now, and that's all you want your porridge to look like this. This is a Sunday morning breakfast, cornmeal porridge. So basically, this is finished. You can also share this and serve it with some Jamaican autumn bread. Thank you so much for watching this show. We got a lot more ideas, tips, and recipe coming your way. And this is Jamaican cornmeal porridge, Sunday morning breakfast from Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye.